younger. The Oval. The Oval. The Bold Type. The Bold Type. Chrissy's Court. Chrissy's Court. Claws. Premiered 2017 genres TV, comedy, crime, drama. More 9 of 85 the best black TV shows of the last few years. 30 of 40 the best black TV shows of 2021. The Iliza Shlesinger sketch show. Genres TV, comedy, sketch comedy. Motherland, Fort Salem. Premiered 2020 genres TV, drama. More Motherland, Fort Salem. The best episodes of Motherland, Fort Salem. 10 of 73. The best current TV shows for women. Ranked 219 of 341 the best female-led TV shows. Oprah's Book Club. Premiered 2019 genres TV talk show. The Spanish Princess. Premiered 2019 genres TV historical drama. More The Spanish Princess. 61 of 93. The best current dramatic TV shows. 92 of 124. All the TV shows that ended in 2020. Ranked 130 of 157 the best TV shows based on books. Good Trouble. Genres TV, comedy, drama, romance. More Good Trouble. 22 of 54 the best new TV shows with gay characters of the last few years. 263 of 662 the best original streaming shows of the last few years. 29 of 42 the best current TV shows with gay characters. Haute Dog. Premiered 2020 genres TV, game show, reality TV. True Life. Premiered 1998 genres TV, documentary, reality television. Newlyweds, the first year. Empire. Married at First Sight. Premiered 2014 genres TV, reality television. Fixer Upper. Premiered 2014 genres TV, home improvement. Insatiable. Premiered 2018 genres TV, black comedy, comedy drama. More Insatiable. 114 of 442 the best new Netflix original series of the last few years. 125 of 184 the best new shows that premiered in 2018. The Great British Bake Off. Premiered 2010 genres TV, special interest, game show, cooking show, home improvement. More The Great British Bake Off. 25 reactions to the new season of The Great British Baking Show that are worthy of Star Baker. The best Great British Bake Off winners, ranked 9 of 45 the best current reality shows that make you a better person. Vanderpump Rules. Premiered 2013 genres TV, reality television. The Voice. Premiered 2011 genres TV, Talent show, reality television or The Voice. The best The Voice winners ranked memes that all fans of The Voice will relate to. 79 of 129 the best shows currently on the air. Say yes to the dress. Premiered 2007 genres TV, reality television. Bachelorette. Premiered 2003 genres TV, reality, dating. The Bachelor. Premiered 2002 genres TV, reality, dating more. The Bachelor. 14 things you never knew about The Bachelor contestants' contractual obligations. Vote on the greatest signature lines from The Bachelor, The Bachelorette. Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Grey's Anatomy. Premiered 2005 genres TV, soap opera, comedy, medical drama. More Grey's Anatomy. The best Grey's Anatomy seasons. 47 of 95 the best Drama TV series. 2 of 241 the greatest TV shows for women.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.